Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today let's learn how to draw alphabet. Let's start with color. Now I am drawing A. A is for apple. Now I am drawing B. B is for ball. Now I am drawing C. C is for cat. Now I am drawing D. D is for dog. Now I am drawing E. E is for elephant. Now I am drawing F. F is for frog. Now I am drawing Z. Z is for golden. Now I am drawing H. H is for house. Thanks for watching.